Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about mining cryptocurrencies. According to me, it's the best way to generate cryptocurrency through minimum investments. As these cryptocurrencies are costly, we can say that many of us are unable to buy them. But through this method, we can generate them with a computer. And the only charges we need to pay is the electricity bill, which is also pretty low as compared to the earnings you can gain through mining cryptocurrencies. So, what exactly is crypto mining? Let's see. What is crypto mining? So, we know that all this transfer and security of cryptocurrencies is dependent on the blockchain technology. And in blockchain technology, there are couple of servers in a network through which cryptocurrencies are transferred. For detailed description of blockchain technology, you can revisit the How Tor Works lecture, which we discussed previously. And we know that higher the number of server, higher is the security of these transfers. And these servers are set up by cryptocurrency miners. So what exactly is crypto mining? Crypto mining is the process in which you set a cryptocurrency mining rig, which mainly consists of some computer parts joined together, which helps in transfer of cryptocurrencies by setting a server, as well as it provides a major security option for these transfers. These miners are paid some transaction fees as well as some mining fees for their services. Well, you cannot set up a blockchain server unless you have a supercomputer, but with our normal computers you can join a mining pool. Actually, a mining pool is a network of computers which connected together acts as a server. So you can easily connect your computer with a mining pool and earn in crypto. Also, some professional miners set a specially designed mining rig for the sole purpose of cryptocurrency mining. We'll discuss about this mining rigs later. Cryptocurrency mining is quite famous because you can generate recurring cryptocurrencies with very low investments. Even if you set up a mining rig, the investment options are quite low as compared to the current prices of these cryptocurrencies. So, mining is the easiest way of getting passive income in cryptocurrencies. So, what is mining rig? What are its component and what is its efficiency? Mining rig. Rig is a complete setup of computer components which help in transfer of cryptocurrencies. You can also mine cryptocurrencies with your local computer. The mining rig consists of several parts, but the main components of mining rig are graphic cards, as they help in decrypting and encrypting bitcoins while transferring them, but not bitcoins, every cryptocurrency. Thus, higher the number of graphic cards, higher is the efficiency of mining rig, and higher are the earnings. Let's see a rig and identify parts using it. So here is a mining rig. The productivity of a mining rig depends on the number of graphical cards attached to it. So here are the main components required for developing a mining rig. Motherboard. But it should have the capability of linking to a number of connections for graphic cards. Graphic cards, of course, power supply, 250 GB HDD. As an Ether wallet usually takes up to 25 GB and a Bitcoin wallet requires up to 50 GB or more. Internet connection, well, Ethernet connection is more recommended, but a wireless connection will also work fine. And a cooling system, as these graphical cards generate a lot of heat. In this figure, we can see a 6 GPU mining rig. 4 or 8 GPU mining rigs are also available. You can also find them on shopping websites like Amazon, or you can make them by yourself. That's it for this lecture. We discussed the main points about crypto mining. After this, we are going to start dangers chapter, in which we'll discuss about the dangers and their prevention of visiting the deep dark web. So see you there. Thank you very much.